The worst thing about doing a food review is I'm trying to focus on my food, but I got y'all. I'm at Batter and Berries. This looks like a black-owned business. I'm assuming it is. I'll double check when I'm editing this. So I got the salmon croquette. So let's see how that is. First, I'm gonna taste the hash browns. It's giving hash brown. You feel me? It's a cheesy hash brown. Y'all see what it look like? Okay. Oh, good and head. And then I got my eggs over heart. Damn. Everything is good. I'll give this an 8 out of 10. The latte, bomb. Orange juice, okay. Fresh, bomb. Batter and Berries, you did your big one. Okay, everybody go to Batter and Berries when you pull up to Chicago. Make sure to don't come right before they close. They're busy. Okay? Talk to y'all later.